This video is going to show how to make a part like this using the Revolve 2D Sketch CAD operation. So this one was made with a series of sketches and extrudes and probably some primitives. Yeah, there's a box right there, that sort of thing. And Boolean operations to add and remove the various parts. And that's one way to do it, but there's probably a better way for the most part. So I'm going to go ahead and show that. We're going to add a new CAD program here, and then we're going to make a 2D sketch. Okay, and we're going to zoom in, and I'm just going to create a profile. Okay, I'm just going to come over here, and I'm not going to do exact dimensions, which you obviously would have to do if you're making your part, but I'm just going to kind of try to show the concept here. Okay, so we're going to do something like that, and like this, and then I don't know, do like that, and like that. Something like that. Okay, and I'm going to manually edit some of these numbers. The important thing is that the line starts and stops right at the y-axis. So the first point and the last point I'm going to just manually edit and make the x-axis 0. So the first line here, the x-axis is going to be 0 for the starting point, and for the last point, the x number for the end point is going to be 0. Okay? So then I'm going to take this sketch and I'm going to move it into the XZ plane. So if we do a front view, we look straight on it like that. And then we're going to insert a Revolve 2D sketch and just click on this profile here. And that's pretty much it. Now that's one solid entity and is significantly less work than something like this. Now, of course, you still have to remove the holes here that we want removed from the solid here, so you can bolt this onto something. But this shows the concept. I'm not trying to really reproduce this exact part. I'm just trying to show the concept of how you can produce this just with a profile and revolve it. Okay, hope that helps. Thanks.